What's up YouTube? So today I'll show you how to maintain your front fork of KTM or any upside down forks. So come, focus here. If you can see, this is a dust cap. This is very important. This is the first layer of protection against all the dirt that's stuck in this region. Okay. So first we need to remove this one. So for removing this, you can use your nails and press it down. Yeah. So once you remove this, push it down. Yeah. Now you can see. Let me clean it. See, this is your first dust cap. This is the second protection of your fork from dust. So you need to remove this. So for removing this, you take a screwdriver and gently insert like this between the gap of your fork assembly and gently press it down. As you can see, it's coming out. Don't worry, this will not harm your fork. This is the proper way to clean your fork assembly. So now you can see all this type of dust are stuck here. You can, if you can zoom here, you can see. This is all moisture, waxes, whatever is stuck in this region that gets accumulated in this portion. So now we have to take one spray like this, which is kerosene, or you can use WD-40 and take a cloth, hold it like this, and you can clean it. Spray it. That will liquefy all the waxes which contains mud and dust particles. Let it set for some time. During this time, you can clean this. Inspect the down here. Inspect the main oil seal. It will be inside this. You can see like this. This is the main oil seal. You can inspect this with oil light or torch light. Then you can clean it like this. If it is too dusty, I recommend you using a fork cleaner that is available in Amazon or Flipkart, that is used for dirt bikes to clean this oil seal. Normal street bikes don't get that much dirt accumulated in this portion because of these two layers. So clean it. Again, hold the cotton like this, clean it like this. This will clean this portion. Now take this cap and I can clean this one. You can see, take the camera, you can see here this much of dust is accumulated. To clean these things. Cloth. Clean this. You can see all this mud. You have to clean these things. Proper cleaning is the only way to save your oil seal. You may attach some sort of neoprene cover and all these things, but that doesn't help much. I've seen my friends using neoprene cover, but that will not work unless you clean this your fork. I've been cleaning my fork in all my previous ride. After every ride in mud, I clean my fork. and I go pretty off-road, nothing happens. So once you clean your fork, how you check? You take this up. See, this one is clean. And again you take this down. See, this clean surface. That means inside of your first dust capsule, second dust capsule, it's been clean. That's how you understand. I can clean it. If you have blower, to blow inside this for remaining particles, and then you close it. Closing like this, you close it. Just put some pressure, and it will close. Yeah. Now again, you clean this one. Inspect this. For me it's fairly clean. If it is not clean, then you can clean this one also. You can clean this one with a cloth, put it inside and clean like this. Once you clean this, put the dust cap, and it's done. Always clean your fork with a clean cloth. Never use oil soaked or cloth which has been fall in sand, because the sand will scratch your fork assembly, and then whenever the bike dips down, the oil will leak, so that will damage your this fork. So always use clean cloth, and the fork cleaning is done. So this is the first episode, and in this episode we did how to clean your forks. Thank you.